Hi, I'm Clara Roberts-Oss, the creator of the Practice With Clara yoga app, and I'm here to announce the Lila Wellness Summit that we're running for the month of May on the platform. The vision behind this summit was to bring some of my favorite healers to the platform to share what they're passionate about. I asked them to create a pre-recorded lecture on what they felt was relevant to our community, and what they brought back to us was magic.
My name is Ramesh Narine, and I'm going to invite you to view the body through what I think is a reasonably unique lens. It's the idea that you have two skeletons.
Hi, everyone. My name is Erin Moon, and I am so thrilled to be here.
My name is Dr. Keema Shield. I'm in private practice in Vancouver, BC, as a doctor of Chinese medicine.
So join us. Every Saturday, we'll have a 30-minute yoga class that I'll create based on the theme of the week. And then we'll have a 30-minute Q&A with that guest speaker on Zoom. This is going to be amazing, and I can't wait to see you there. If you're not already a member, we offer a 7-day free trial. See you there.